Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to create and backup a new wallet for the Wirex Wallet app. Wirex is a platform that allows users to buy, trade, and grow their money with both crypto and traditional currency accounts. It offers a banking alternative for Web3 users. By the way, if you haven't signed up on Wirex Wallet, check the video description for the sign up link to register. With Wirex Wallet, you can store and manage all your assets securely without private key. One account for everything, 100 plus coins and tokens. Best prices to buy, sell, and exchange your crypto assets. Earn interest with major DeFi services. And lastly, secure your account with 2FA and anonymous biometric backup. For this video, we will create a new Wirex Wallet. Tap on Create a New Wallet. Enter the email address you want to use. Verify your email. Welcome to Wirex Wallet. Enjoy a simple and secure space to manage all your crypto assets. Here's how the Wirex Wallet looks like on a mobile device. Here you will see your balance. Below is a list of your assets and NFTs you own. Underneath will be the navigational tabs such as Portfolio, Activity, Actions, and Profile. After creating your wallet, it is a must to back up your wallet to make sure it's safe and secure. Go to the Profile tab, and you click Backup Account here. Backup your Wirex account. You will need it to recover your wallet if the device is changed, lost, or stolen. You have here two options. Provide biometrics, no photo, video, or face features are stored. Or generate paper backup, it is a QR code that needs to be stored in a secure place. Let me pick Generate Paper Backup. The paper backup is an important one-time security procedure. Don't send it to anyone and keep it in a safe place. Tap Let's Go. Just click Save to Gallery to complete. Great, my wallet is now secured. Now all features of the Wirex wallet are available, and you can be absolutely sure that your assets are safe and sound. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.